Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. In this video, we are going to look at the new type of non-verbal reasoning questions. Some of these new type of questions were asked in MBA CET 2022 as well. So which is very recent. Last year के MBA CET में जो questions आए थे, वो type के questions हम यहाँ पे बनाने हैं. The reason behind this video or this video series is that कि आपको एग्जाम में सरप्राइज ना मिले कि यार ये क्या आ गया है ना, ये किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ गया है ना. So that is why we are making these videos so that everyone is comfortable while solving these type of questions. ठीक है. So first regular question type अपना क्या रहता है, find the next figure in the series or analogy based questions और ये सब. ठीक है. So regular question type, इसके there are multiple methods to solve it. Follow only one element. Then other option is other method is to eliminate the options and all those. Okay. So let us try to solve one or two regular type of questions. I am quite sure कि आप ये regular question type को easily tackle कर सकते होगे. The level of difficulty of regular question type is much higher than the type of questions which we are going to see later. ठीक है. क्योंकि वो नए टाइप के क्वेश्चन थे तो उसमें लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी थोड़ी कम है, या फिर यू नो व्हाट यू एग्जैक्टली हैव टू डू. ठीक है. अभी रेगुलर क्वेश्चन टाइप के दो क्वेश्चंस मैंने यहाँ पे लिए. लेट अस ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. ओके. सो व्हाट इज गिवन ओवर हियर. सो स्टार का देखते हैं. तो स्टार इधर से इधर आ गया. ओके. फिर नेक्स्ट इसमें टी इधर से इधर आ गया. ओके. ओके. देन ये बॉक्स इज गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. नेक्स्ट इसमें box is not there at all. This R is going from here to here. Okay, you can see R over here. Okay, so what I am saying, whatever logic is being followed from figure 1 to figure 2, same logic has been followed from figure 3 to figure 4, or representation 3 to representation 4. Okay, same logic. Okay, whatever is the logic from 1 to 2, same logic has been followed from 3 to 4. Now, similar logic must be followed from fifth figure to the answer figure. So how will the answer figure look? Let us try to find out. So something like this will be there. This, just like star and box are interchanging its position, T and R are also interchanging their position. So triangle and equal to will also interchange their position. Triangle will go here, equal to will come here. So it is there. Here in A option it is correct, B option it is not correct, C option it is correct, D option it is correct, E option again it is correct. Okay, next if you observe, where is Z going? Z is going from here to here, from middle to right. Okay, here also Z is going from middle to right. So here also Z will go from middle to right. So Z will come here. Now eliminate the option. So Z is there, Z is there, Z is there. Here you have O. So E option is eliminated. Okay. If you look at U, so U is going from U is going from bottom left to top right. Similarly, C is going from bottom left to top right. So here U will go from bottom left to top right. So top right we don't have U. So D option eliminated. Top right we don't have U. C option eliminated. Top right we have U. A option. Okay. Now you don't have to check for each and every element. Okay. Because you have already eliminated 4 options. A option is till now the winner. Then that is the final answer and you have to move ahead. Okay. Let us try to solve it in this question as well. So what is happening? L. If you observe, L is coming here to here. Okay. Then where is L going? L is eliminated. Okay. Z is coming from here to here. Okay. Again, the same logic. Whatever is the logic from figure 1 to figure 2, same logic we have to apply from figure 3 to figure 4. And then the same logic will be applied on fifth figure to the answer figure. Same logic will be applied from fifth figure to the answer figure. Okay. So what is happening? So this L is coming from here to here. Z is coming from here to here. Now this box will come from here to here. So you will have a box over here. Box over here. So you have that in A option, B option, not in C option, D option, not in E option. Okay. Next, what is happening? let us say C, C, C. Second element is okay. U, and P. So what is coming here? Triangle. So triangle is coming from here to the position of P. Okay. Here also U is coming from here to the position of O, which is U. Now here P will come from here to here. So second last element will be P. Second last element will be P. A is eliminated, B is eliminated, D is your answer. Now that you have eliminated two options, done. You don't have to check for other elements. Okay. D is the final winner and you mark it and you move ahead. These are the type of questions which you will get in CET, and majority of the questions will be of these type. That is what we are expecting if a normal CET is conducted. But for you guys to not have any surprise, there are few more type of questions that are there and you might want to go through it so that you are not surprised in the exam. Okay. You have to choose the correct water image of the given figure X from amongst the given four alternatives. So correct water image. So water image is like this. Water is generally below. And so water image will be something like this. So what will be the water image? Something like this. This straight line will still look like this. This triangle will look like this. And this line will go and be like this. So here all the figures, first three figures are of those formats, fourth figure is eliminated. Okay. Now this circle will come up. Why? Because water image circle is below. So that circle will come up. Yes or no? Whatever. Water image of A will be like this. No. So element which is at the bottom will come at the top. So same way, circle which is at the bottom will come at the top. So circle will be at the top. The triangle will not be at the top. And option 3 is your answer. Don't check for triangle now. If you check for triangle and then if you get a wrong answer, then only you will be confused. Okay. Try to solve for this one. Water image. Water image. So water image will be something like this. There are two circles. This circle will come up and will have upper part shaded. This circle will come up, will have upper part shaded. So this circle is not coming up, no. So this circle is coming up and having upper part shaded, coming up and upper part shaded, upper part shaded. This circle will come here and will have lower part shaded because the unshaded part will be at the top and lower shaded part will be there. So second, so everywhere it is correct. Now this moon-like structure will look something like this. Okay, so this moon-like structure will look something like this. So it is there everywhere. Second option will be eliminated because we don't want to shade the moon. Now this triangle or this square of which half of the square is shaded, let us try to see how will it be shaded. So this square is shaded like this. Okay, I'm drawing it here. What will be its water image? Its water image will be like this. So this diagonal will become this. This part will be shaded and like this. You need to understand what is water image. How will the image look in the water? So this is how it will look in the water. So third option is eliminated because third and this square, the answer square is not matching. Here in fourth option, the square and our square according to water image is matching and fourth option will be the answer. Okay. Now we have to carry out or find out the water image of this. So water image of this will be, now this circle is here. This circle will come over here. Okay. Simple. So it is over here. It is not here. So eliminated. It is over here. Again, not here. So eliminated. Okay. Now let us look at this triangle. This triangle will be above the line now. This triangle will be above the line because first triangle will come and then the line will come. So this triangle will be above the line and the tip of the triangle will be up. Tip of the triangle will be up. So, okay, both of these are same. Let us look at this option. This triangle will be below the line now. Yes, this triangle will be below the line and tip of the triangle or one of the vertex of the triangle will be pointing downwards. So pointing downwards, this option is correct. First option is eliminated. Now, these two type of questions were not asked in the exam, but we are still covering it because, again, as I told you, we don't want you to get surprised in the exam. So water image of B will be like this. So do we have B like this? Everywhere we have it like this. Then R will be like this. So this R is not correct. This R is not correct. Next, this I will be like this. This I will be like this. So I is correct. This D will be like this. Okay. So this is correct. This is not correct. So this one is eliminated. Okay. Similarly, water image of A will be something like this. A will look like this. So A, everywhere it is correct. Water image of 1 will be like this. So 1 and pointing towards left. So this one is eliminated. So A option eliminated. This one is eliminated. You have these two. Now M, water image of M is like this. You already have it like that. 3 will be opening to the left. 3 will be opening to the left. So 3 is opening to the left properly over here. 3 is not opening properly over here. So water image would be this one. Third option will be the correct water image. Okay. Now we will try mirror images. Now in mirror image, what we do, the mirror is something somewhere like this, है ना? तो ये mirror image हमको देखना है. तो ये straight line इधर आएगी, तो ये straight line. एंड ये वाला पार्ट जो है वो एक्सट्रीम, मतलब ये वाला जो पार्ट है वो एक्सट्रीम राइट में आएगा ना, है ना? वो एक्सट्रीम राइट में आएगा. तो ये वाला पार्ट इधर आएगा और इधर भी सही है. ये इधर कुछ तो भी अलग ही हो रहा है, ये वाला नहीं है ना. नॉर्मल सा अगर मेरे को मिरर इमेज निकालना है, तो ये बी का मिरर इमेज अगर मुझे निकालना है, तो ये वाली जो लाइन है जो मिरर से सबसे दूर थी, इधर से भी मिरर से सबसे दूर रहेगी. ओके, एज सिंपल एज दैट. सो ये वाला जो पार्ट है, ये जो नीचे ऐसा ये वाला पार्ट है, इट विल बी अवे फ्रॉम द मिरर. सो इट इज प्रॉपरली हियर एंड इट इज प्रॉपरली हियर. एंड ये यहाँ पे भी है, बट ये बीच में कुछ तो डिजाइन आ गया है विच वी डोंट वांट. ओके, नाउ दिस पार्ट, दिस राइट will look something like this. Okay, this right will look something like this. So it is not something like this. It is something like this here. है ना? The smaller side will be to the left and larger side will be to the right. So this is the correct answer and this is not. Okay. Now if you want to get the mirror image here, so this part will be shaded. This part will be shaded. This part will be shaded. So here, this option is eliminated. This is correct. This option is eliminated. This is correct because this part is shaded. Okay. And then opposite part is curved like this. Okay. Curved and shaded. Curved lines and shaded. So this is correct. This is also correct. Okay. Mirror image of this triangle will be like this only. Mirror image will be like this only. It will be the same triangle. So here, this triangle is not correct. This triangle is correct. So this is going to be the answer. Perfect. Now, mirror image of this clock. So this clock, the minute hand, which is the bigger hand, minute hand, which is the bigger hand, will be here. Minute hand, which is the bigger hand, will be here. And it will be pointing between A. As it is pointing between 2 and 3, now the minute hand will be pointing between 9 and 10. 9 and 10. So it is between 9 and 10 here. So this is the answer. This is not the answer. This is not the answer. Similarly, this is also not the answer. Now Malayalam. Malayalam, how will Malayalam look? M will be as it is. This M will be as it is. So it is as it is here. Only third option is eliminated. Okay. A will be as it is. This A will come here and it will be as it is. So A as it is. This L, which is like this, will become like this. Okay. So this L is not correct. This L is not correct. This L is correct. Similarly, effective will be written, or the mirror image will be like this. E will be here. So E and E will be here. V and V as it is. I as it is. Okay. So on the basis of E, this E, first option, third option, second option eliminated, fourth option is correct. Okay. Okay. Now I, then T will be as it is. C, which is like this, will become like this. C will be like this. So C is correct over here. C is correct over here. C is correct over here. No option eliminated. E will be having the mirror image like this. E will be having the mirror image like this. तो ये mirror image correct है. ये mirror image correct है. ये mirror image भी correct है. F का mirror image कैसा आ जाएगा? ऐसा. सो टू एफ ये उल्टे दिखने लग जाएंगे अभी हमें. तो ये दोनों एफ उल्टे दिख रहे हैं बराबर. ये एफ में यहाँ पे कुछ तो भी गंदगी कर दी. एक एफ सही है, एक एफ उल्टा है ना. एक एफ सही है, एक एफ उल्टा है. ये गंदगी हो गई कुछ तो भी. ठीक है. ये यहाँ पे तो कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है भाई. यहाँ पे तो ईवी ये तो चल ही नहीं रहा है. ये तो थर्ड ऑप्शन तो वैसे ही एलिमिनेट हो गया. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ही आंसर आएगा क्योंकि वो प्रॉपर मिरर इमेज बन रहा है. ठीक है ना. एलिमिनेटिंग दी ऑप्शंस इज द बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. तो अपने अभी हमने वाटर इमेज भी देख लिया, मिरर इमेज भी देख लिया. अभी नेक्स्ट है एनालॉजी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. एनालॉजी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी काफी फ्रीक्वेंटली आते हैं सीईटी में. देखते हैं. सो एनालॉजी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, यहाँ पे यहाँ से यहाँ ऐसे एनालॉजी निकालनी, तो यहाँ से यहाँ ऐसे एनालॉजी. सो इट इज मूविंग थ्री हाफ साइड्स ओवर हियर. ओके, थ्री हाफ साइड्स ओवर हियर, and this thing is moving three half sides clockwise. So both the elements are moving three half sides clockwise. Both the elements are moving three half sides clockwise. So this H will come here. So H will be at the bottom. It is bottom left. It is here properly, not here. It is here properly, not here, not here. Okay. This right will go three half sides. This is first half side, second half side, and then third half side clockwise. Okay, so this will be at the top. So this will be at the top. So C option is eliminated. A option is correct. We don't even have to check or even have to rotate H and that right mark or tick mark. Okay, moving forward. What is happening? Okay, so this outer figure, which is half, it's becoming full and getting shaded. Okay, outer figure which is half and becoming full, it is becoming full and getting shaded. Okay, and this inner figure is getting out and getting unshaded. So this circle will get out and be unshaded. Circle, unshaded circle, unshaded circle, unshaded circle, unshaded circle, de-eliminated E. Now this is what? Half of hexagon. Now half of hexagon will look something like this. After completion, it will look something like this and it will be completely shaded. So C option is correct. Very easy. Okay. Now other type of analogy, I mean this question and this question, both are same. But students get it wrong. Why? Because they don't understand what needs to be done. What they do, they again put the analogy like this, 1 to 2. Okay. Now third question, third figure is the question figure. So the logic which we have to find out is 4 to 3. Then apply the logic 2 to 1. No, apply the logic 2 to 1. Don't apply the logic 1 to 2. As we have to find out the logic from 4 to 3, apply the logic from 2 to 1. Okay, that is what we are trying to do over here. Okay, so applying the logic from 2 to 1. What is happening to this B? So this B is rotating by 90 degrees and going up. This small part is here at the small part. So this B will also rotate by 90 degrees and go and become something like this. Become something like this. It will rotate by 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So it is not becoming, so E is proper, D is not proper, C is proper, B is not proper, A is proper. Okay. Next is this B. So this small part of B and this small part of B are close to each other. Okay, they are close to each other. So here also the larger part of B and the larger part of B will be close to each other. And as the line is away from the line of B is away from the side, the line of B will be away from the side here. And the larger part will be close to this larger part. Okay, so we need larger part on the right. We need the larger part on the right. We need this larger part on the right. So it is here properly. It is not here. This one is here properly. So C option is also eliminated. Okay. Next is A and E. Okay, okay, okay. What is the difference? Arrow is the difference. No. This lollipop looking element is rotating by 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So this arrow looking element will be rotating 90 degrees anti-clockwise and this arrow will look down. So A option is correct and E option is eliminated. Okay, A option is correct, E option is eliminated. These are analogy based questions. Okay, here again, find out the analogy from this figure to this figure. Just like we have to find out the analogy here. So in a circle, there are three lines and those three lines made a triangle. Now here in a circle, you have four lines. These four lines will make a triangle. So these are, will make a quadrilateral. So this is option B is going to be your answer. Very easy. Okay. Moving forward to paper folding. Paper folding again, a new type of what you say a non-verbal reasoning question or abstract reasoning question, but it was not asked last year. Okay, so this is going to be new, but we don't want you to get surprised. तो paper folding कैसा रहता है वो भी देख लेते हैं. Find out amongst the four alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. Okay, the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. So what is happening in all the options? This sheet is being folded on this sheet. Okay, so this sheet is being folded on this sheet. So simple, this sheet, now this circle will overlap. The circle is overlapping. This line, which is like this, will look like this. This line will look like this. And this arrow will look like this. And this part will get eliminated. So simple, this is going to be your answer. Okay, folding the paper, that is what we need to understand. A little bit of visualization is also needed. है ना? Articulating it is difficult while explaining. ये कैसे बताना है, ये बताना थोड़ा सा difficult हो जाता है. अभी इसमें मैंने थर्ड ऑप्शन लेके गलत कर दिया है. Actually the answer will be fourth option. ठीक है, अच्छे से अगर मैं देखूं तो अगर अच्छे से मैं अगर देखूं तो ये लाइन इधर आएगी एंड ये लाइन का ये ऊपर वाला पार्ट तो ऊपर आएगा ना, ऐसा आएगा. ठीक है ना? तो अ वेरी कॉमन मिस्टेक विच यू माइट कमिट, ये लाइन तो आने वाली है. ये अगर लाइन आने वाली है तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन एंड सेकंड ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट होता है. अब ये लाइन आने के बाद ये इधर वाला पार्ट इधर से ऐसा बाहर निकलेगा ना. सो जैसा वो फोर्थ ऑप्शन में निकला है, नॉट इन थर्ड ऑप्शन. ठीक है, तो फोर्थ ऑप्शन विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है. नाउ दिस ट्रायंगल, दिस पेपर हैज टू बी फोल्डेड लाइक दिस. अभी ये वाला जो ट्रायंगल है इसके ऊपर ओवरलैप होगा तो ये ऐसा ओवरलैप हो जाएगा, लेफ्ट साइड में ओवरलैप हो जाएगा. तो ट्रायंगल बराबर लेफ्ट साइड में ओवरलैप हो गया. यहाँ पे बराबर है, यहाँ पे बराबर नहीं है क्योंकि ट्रायंगल का टिप तो ऊपर ही आएगा. ये भी बराबर नहीं है, ये भी बराबर नहीं है ना. ट्रायंगल का टिप जो है वो तो प्रॉपरली ऊपर आएगा एंड ये वाला जो पार्ट है वो इधर से इधर पे आ जाएगा. सो थर्ड ऑप्शन इज द प्रॉपर व्हाट यू से प्रॉपर इमेज आफ्टर फोल्डिंग द पेपर, ट्रांसपेरेंट पेपर. अभी ये वाला फिगर, इसको मुझे ध्यान से देखोगे तो ये वाला स्लाइड ब्लैंक कर दिया है. तो मुझे इधर से इधर ऐसा लेके जाना है, ये इधर से इधर ऐसा लेके जाना है. तो ये वाली स्लाइड इधर आएगी तो ये ऐसे बन जाएगी. ठीक है ना, ये वाली साइड इधर आएगी तो ऐसे बन जाएगी. ओके, सो यहाँ पे तो एलिमिनेट हो गया. यहाँ पे हो सकता है, यहाँ पे हो सकता है, यहाँ पे हो सकता है. These vertical lines will still be vertical lines, no? है ना? Nothing will happen to these vertical lines. These vertical lines will still be vertical lines, and these horizontal lines will come from the left itself. Okay. So second option is eliminated because these horizontal lines are changing its direction. Okay. So these horizontal lines will still be at its position. So horizontal lines, second option is eliminated because these horizontal lines are not behaving properly. And these vertical lines are going to be vertical lines. So that is why third option is also eliminated. Fourth option will be your answer. Okay. Now here you have a blank. Here you have a blank. Means you need to rotate it like this. Okay. So if this part gets rotated, तो ये ऐसा आ जाएगा यार, है ना? ये पार्ट कंप्लीटली इधर आ जाएगा, तो ऐसा क्रॉस आ जाएगा. फोर्थ ऑप्शन विल बी द आंसर. Okay. So paper folding is also something which is very easy. You can do it. A little bit of visualization is needed. Now, rotation of figures. Find out how will the key figure X look after rotation. Okay, so this key figure X, if it is rotated, okay, if it is rotated, so key figure X, if it is rotated, how will it look? We have to see that. So this pointed arrow, I mean, there is a triangle, there is a point on one of the vertex. From that point to the left, we have this small line on the outer circle. So from this point to the right, we have it. Here we have on the left. Here we have on the right. Not correct. From the point, it is not close, that close. This line is not that close. So second option eliminated. From this point, it is not that close. So third option eliminated. From this point, we have to move left. So left में जाएगी, तो this line will come and this will be the proper rotated figure. Okay, this is how you need to do the rotation. Now rotation can be 90 degree, 45 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree. It can be clockwise, anti-clockwise, all those. Okay. Now let us try to solve this. We have to rotate it. So ये इसके opposite में ये आना चाहिए थी. Blank के opposite में straight lines, blank के opposite 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 vertical lines हो गए यार ये तो. ठीक है. If I take blank over here, so ये तो straight line बराबर है. Blank over here तो straight lines बराबर है. Blank here तो straight lines here. Blank here तो straight line here. Third option is eliminated. Third option is eliminated because if the blank is here, these two are changing its direction. No? So here we have it like this. Here we have it like this. So second option is eliminated. If we have the blank at bottom left, so this should have been straight lines only. This should have been straight lines. So fourth option is also eliminated. If I take this blank one here, if I rotate it and I take this blank one here, this straight lines are behaving properly. Now what will happen to these? It will become like this. These straight line will become like this when they come here. And then when they come here, these will become again like this. Okay, so these straight lines will look like this. Rotation, imagination, little bit of imagination will be needed. So this is correct, this is not correct. Okay, this is correct. It will again regain its position as it was. So second one is the correct rotation. Now this one, a triangle, inside there is a square, and in bottom right, from the vertex to the right, we have that small dot in the square. So so this is not correct because the one of the sides of the triangle and the square are parallel. One of the sides of the triangle and square are parallel. So first option is not matching it. Now here, from the vertex to the right, we should have the point. So this is correct. From the vertex to the left, we are having the point. Not correct. From the vertex to the left, we are having the point. Not correct. and also this point is near the vertex. It should have been towards the base. So fourth option is also eliminated. Second option is your answer. So these are the new type of questions which you can expect in the exam. And these new type of questions should not surprise you. In this series, we are going to cover all the types of questions which are from all the topics which we feel might surprise you in the exam, and you may lose out on some time and lose out on easy marks. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. उसके लिए follow this series wherein we'll be giving you different type of question that can be asked in all the 3 sections or all the 4 sections. Okay. So if you have any other query, connect with us on any one of these 3 social media platforms or visit our website tarkashastra.co.in. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.